Are you a book lover looking to make some extra cash online? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're going to cover 10 of the best ways for book lovers to make money online. Let's dive in. Writing book reviews is a popular option for book lovers looking to make money online. You can start a blog or YouTube channel dedicated to book reviews, or pitch your services to websites that pay for book reviews. Some websites that pay for book reviews include NetGalley, Readsy Discovery, and Kirkus Reviews. Selling books online is another way to earn money. You can create a seller account on popular websites like Amazon, eBay, or Bookfinder and sell your books online. You can also consider becoming a bookseller and specializing in a specific niche or genre, and building relationships with your customers. If you have a talent for writing, becoming a ghostwriter can be a lucrative option. You can find opportunities on websites like Upwork or Freelancer, and write books for other people while getting paid for it. Translating books from one language to another is also a great way to make money online. You can find opportunities on websites like Prose or Translators Cafe and get paid for translating books. If you are crafty, creating book-related products like bookmarks, mugs, or t-shirts and selling them online can be a fun and profitable way to make money. Websites like Printful or Zazzle can help you with the production and shipping of your products. Becoming a book coach is another way to make money by helping others achieve their dreams of writing. You can provide personalized guidance, feedback, and support to aspiring writers and help them write and publish their books. If you have extensive knowledge about writing or publishing, you can create an online course using platforms like Udemy or Teachable and share your expertise with others. Offering courses on writing or publishing can be a great way to earn passive income. Offering editorial or proofreading services for books, articles, or blogs is another way to make money online. Websites like Fiverr or Upwork can connect you with clients looking for editorial or proofreading services. Participating in affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn money by recommending books or book-related products to your audience. You can earn a commission on sales using affiliate marketing programs like Amazon Associate. Lastly, consider creating a podcast or starting a book club to engage with other book lovers and share your thoughts and opinions on your favorite books. You can monetize your podcast or book club by incorporating sponsorship. There you have it. Do you know other ways to make money online for book lovers? Let us know in the comments. We would love to know. Hope you liked our video. Subscribe to receive our books recommendations, books review and more. Click on this video to see a review of Rich Dad Poor Dad. See.